Hello, my name's Andy Black and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of Article Writer Pro, which is my new online article creation tool. Okay, if you struggle creating or writing articles for article marketing or to post on your blogs or on Squidoo pages, hub pages, what have you, then a tool like Article Writer Pro can help you tremendously and save you a lot of time in the long run. So what I'm going to do is give you a quick demonstration of what it can do. Okay. The demonstration is going to be based on content that I've already added to a project that I've set up. Okay. The example here is weight loss. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is quickly create a unique title, article and resource box loosely based around the weight loss niche. Okay. So this is my administration panel. I've logged in. Okay. I'm going to go to the bottom here. You'll see select project. So I'm going to select my project weight loss. Okay, click on that. I'm going to leave it to retrieve two blocks of data, two content blocks that I've already uploaded to my weight loss project. From each topic or each paragraph that I select, it'll retrieve two content blocks. Okay, number of paragraphs, I want to select it to 3, but each of these paragraphs will be split into two elements. Okay, this just creates a sort of nice structure to the article and makes it easy to read. Okay, and that's providing I have this format set onto yes. That's what basically it does. It's going to create 3 paragraphs. Okay, retrieve 2 content blocks for each of the paragraphs, and then it's going to sort of break these up into content blocks to create a nice structure. Okay, all I'm going to do now is click proceed to article creator. Okay, and you'll see this next screen here, it's got 3 drop down boxes. Okay, and 3 text fields in the top section of it. Okay, basically what this is subtopics within weight loss that I've set up. So I've created the 6 subtopics here. I've got burning body fat, fighting hunger, weight loss supplements, exercise, low cost exercise equipment and gym equipment. Okay, these numbers here indicate how many content blocks I've added to each of these subtopics. Okay, so I've got 5 in burning body fat, 5 in fighting hunger, 4 in weight loss supplements, so on. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is choose sort of 3 subtopics for the article. So I'm going to start with burning body fat, fighting hunger, and then I'm going to talk about exercise towards the end of the article. Okay, this is quite loose, the article. It's these subjects, although they're all to do with weight loss, they don't focus on any of these in particular. When you set up your project, you can basically build your project to be as tightly focused to any particular niche or subject as you want. This is just quite a broad article, so this is what I'm going to use for this demonstration. Okay, what I'm going to do then is add 1 or 2 sentences in each of these, and this is basically my intro text. This basically sort of leads into each of these subtopics. Okay, and then creates a nice flow from one subtopic to the next. Okay, so it links up the whole article. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I've actually written 3 intro texts already, so I'm just going to copy and paste these in just to save a bit of time. Okay, paste that one into there, paste this one in for the fighting hunger, and the last one, exercise, put that in there as well. Okay, so that's going to go into there. So basically, I'll read the first one out for you to give you an idea. So it starts off, when you are wanting to tone up your body or lose weight, just fast forward here, right? Burning body fat is the key element. Okay, and that basically leads us into the information that it's going to retrieve from the database. Okay, so it's going to select, out of these 5 content blocks, it's going to select 2 from the database and then completely respin those 2 content blocks, okay, into a brand new unique piece of information. Okay, the second one, fighting hunger. The diet side to losing weight can be hard for many people, as they have to learn to curb their hunger. Okay, and then that'll lead from this information, this sort of subtopic, into fighting hunger, the information there. Okay, and this other piece, you know, I won't read it out, but basically it sort of you know, talks about exercise. If you're wanting to sort of keep fit, more than just the losing weight aspect, then it's exercise that you need to focus on. Okay, so that's basically set up all the criteria that we need now to produce our article with. Okay, all we're going to do now is choose a title. I've set up 2 titles for this project, for the weight loss project. Okay, I can add as many titles as I want. You know, I could have 100 in there if I wanted. There's no limit, and basically I can program each title quickly. It only takes a minute or so for each one, to program it so the system can respin any of these titles into a brand new version. Okay, using different words, different sort of structure, however you want to look at it. Okay, I've only done 2 for this example. Again, a resource, I've just done 1, but same rule applies. You can add as many resource boxes to any project that you want, okay, and you can name them. So, you know, if you're targeting certain keywords for your anchor text, then you can keep your anchor text the same within the resource box and spin all the other elements of that resource box. So it's easy to sort of target, again with your titles as well, you can target certain keywords if you want. If I select these random drop down options here, to know if I select this title here, it will basically only use that title but respin a new version, or if I select that one, it'll use that one. If I select random, then no matter how many titles or resource boxes I have, it'll basically pick one from the list within a database and then respin a version of that and then display that. Okay, so we'll just leave it on random for this example. All we do then, once we've done that, which should only take you a minute or 2 maximum, is just click on create an article. Okay, and what it's done there instantly, okay, it's created our unique title, achieving fitness and shedding those pounds for the summer season. Okay, there's a title. Underneath here, it's created our 511 word article, which it gives you the word count there. Okay, and it's all sort of broken down into a nice structure. Okay, into your different sort of elements. And at the bottom here is the resource box, which is completely respun into a new version. Okay, article written by Andy Black, proprietor of myweightloss.site.com. There's me code I need for my backlink. Okay, and fitness expert. My Weight Loss store sells a wide range of exercise equipment, dietary supplements and training packages. This is fictional just for this example. I'm not a fitness expert and I don't have a My Weight Loss store, but it's just to give you an example of what you can do with it. Okay, you're not limited to one backlink either, anchor text. You can put as many as you want in. Obviously for article directories and that, you don't want to add more than 2 or 3 because that's a sort of limit that they're put on there. Okay, you'll notice underneath here as well they have copy to clipboard button. Okay, copy title to clipboard, copy article to clipboard, copy resource box to clipboard. All you do is you can click on them, paste it straight in your article directory or your web page or your Squidoo page, or whatever you do. This is really for article marketing. So you click on each of the buttons, paste it in, or paste it into a Word document if you want to work on it a bit more. It's up to you. Okay, if you're not happy with any of these sort of subjects or the information that it's retrieved from the database for you, if you're not, if you wanted to have a scan through it, and you thought, well, I'm not happy with this section here, you can simply just click this P1 button here, okay, and it'll recreate paragraph 1 completely. It'll change everything, retrieve new information from that particular the burning body fat topic. It'll retrieve new information, it'll respin that information again, so it'll completely change here. The only thing it won't change is the intro text, which I've put in. So no matter how many times I do that, it'll bring brand new information. Okay, again you can do that with paragraph 2, which is your subject, or paragraph 3 even, and that will change. Okay, another thing you can do here is change particular words. This isn't going to make sense what I do because I'm just going to put any word in, but I'm going to change the word exercise to fitness. Okay, click replace, and what it'll do, it's picked out, it's only 3 there, but 3 instances of the word exercise and replaced it with the word fitness. You can put any particular phrase in here, a couple of words, 1 word. For instance, if you was doing an article on business gifts, you might want to change it, do a few articles and change it from business gifts to promotional products or promotional gifts. Just as an example, you can do that, and it will basically scan through the whole article and change every instance of that, and then it will display it in blue as well to give you a visual indication of what's actually been changed and where it's been changed. On top of that, you can shorten certain elements. Okay, like that was when you are wanting to tone up your body. It's now changed when you are wanting. Some people have a preference of whether they like to sort of shorten the words and have like apostrophes in there. This is done in red, indicated in red, so it separates it from the initial word changes that you might have made. Okay, again you can lengthen as well, so it changes everything to when you are wanting, you will still enjoy the taste, do not be disheartened and give up, will prove to you that it is working, and so on. And it does that. Once you're happy with your article, okay, and the changes that you may have made, just click clear highlighting. And what that will do is completely clear the highlighting from the article, and then you can simply just click your 3 buttons one at a time and paste it to where you want. And that's just a quick demonstration of how you can quickly, within 1 or 2 minutes, create a unique title, a unique article of any size, and a unique resource box using Article Writer Pro. Thank you.